craze 조금 더 망설이지 마 alright I don't want a best friend.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today I'm going to be doing a rice hair mask. Okay, so the first ingredient we're going to need is our rice. I used about a cup of rice, and afterwards I washed my rice just to get rid of any impurities or dirt. Then I poured out this water that I used to wash the rice, because we will not be using this rice water. Afterwards, I put my rice into a pot and I added about a cup of water into that pot. I left it to cook on low heat for about 5 to 7 minutes. Cooking the rice just helps to soften it a bit because we're going to put it into our blender. After cooking the rice for about 5 to 7 minutes, I extracted my rice water, which I'll be using as my toner later on in the video. Here I'm just putting my cooked rice into my blender. It's now soft enough to blend, and this is how we're going to create our rice mask. I'm also going to add honey to it because honey has anti-inflammatory properties and it also helps with soothing and moisturizing. Now since our rice is prepped, we can begin blending. After blending, this is how my rice mask turned out. It's a nice soft texture. I'm going to put this mask into a glass jar where I can store it in the fridge for up to 3 days. This is the rice mask that I previously made. This is what I use for my rice face mask, but I'm also going to use it as a hair mask as well. I'm gonna add a few more ingredients though to it just to bulk it up. Okay, so first I'm gonna add this rice mask to this container. This container is a lot larger, so when I add all the products to it, they should be able to fit into this. Okay, so I've transferred the rice to this container. Now I'm going to add some deep conditioner. I'm adding this Aussie Moist deep conditioner to it. It's a reconstructing mask, so it should be able to help with repair and damage. Fortunately, this mask is very cheap, so yeah. Now mixing it together. Don't try this at home. And I think the last thing I'm going to add to it is some flaxseed gel that I previously created. So this is just to bulk it up a little bit. Okay, so after mixing it up, this is what my rice mask is looking like. Very nice and creamy, and I can now use it. I have enough to use in my hair. In fact, even more than enough, because it looks like a lot. But yeah, it's now time to do my deep conditioning. Okay, so I started off on freshly washed and conditioned hair. As you guys can see, my hair is clean. After that, I took the rice deep conditioner that I made because I'm going to use it next in my hair. The smell of it is actually pretty okay. It's pretty good because it has like a subtle rice scent. There's not much to it, and it has a nice creamy texture. So when I was applying it to my hair, it went on very smoothly and nicely. The only thing is that it had a few rice bits, probably because I needed to blend it more and to possibly cook it down a little bit more just to soften it. But otherwise, it was really nice on my hair. So of course, I'm going to generously apply this mask to each and every section of my hair. I'm ensuring to coat my strands properly just to make sure that they are receiving all of those good benefits. And then afterwards I'm just gonna twist my hair because I'll be keeping this treatment in for about 20 minutes, and I wouldn't want my hair to tangle up afterwards. So I'm just putting my hair into a 2-strand twist to keep it from knotting itself up. I'm gonna repeat this process for the rest of my hair. So I apply the protein mask or the rice mask to my hair. And then I coat my strands, ensuring to coat my strands generously, and then afterwards I'll ensure to twist my hair up to prevent knots. And this is what I'll be doing for all of my hair. So I actually ended up using most of the conditioner. In fact, all of it. The entire jar is finished. I think because I use flaxseed gel, which is more water based, it ended up having less of a conditioning effect, which is why I ended up using more, if you get what I'm saying. But yeah. So after I've finished applying all the deep conditioner to my hair, I'm just going to leave it for about 20 minutes, as I said, just to sit in my hair and so that my hair can reap most of the benefits, if not all. And after I've finished deep conditioning my hair, I can now wash everything out. To be honest, washing the rice mask out of my hair it took a while, to be very frank, because there were a couple rice bits in my hair. As I said, I would have needed to blend it a little bit more, but otherwise, overall, I really liked the feeling of my hair afterwards. It was very soft. So I would definitely be doing this rice mask again, and it's a lot less smelly than the rice water that I previously used. So yeah, this is definitely something I would do again for a rice protein treatment. But anyways, guys, thank you for watching my video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Deuces.